Hey there guys, welcome to KSAD single box break number 620 of 13-14 National Treasures. Last team that ended the break was the Edmonton Oilers on September 4th at 8:57 p.m. Eastern Time. So the current day and time. Reload. It's currently Friday, September 5th at 12:41 a.m. Eastern Time. And we are live on Breakers TV here. It's per normal. 620. And we don't have a serial number tonight because we're pulling our first box out of a sealed case. So we'll turn you guys around here. We'll show you guys the case, then we'll roll, I guess, a 6-sided dice and until we roll a number. So 1 through 4. So first number, so pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4 is going to be the way it's going to go. So first number we roll is for tonight, second one we roll is for tomorrow, and then the rest of the other two will be listed throughout this week and early next. So good luck guys. Box number 3. So the third one down here will be the first one. Good call there, Dwayne. And box 5, which we'll re-roll. And then we got box 1 for tomorrow. So 3 and 1. Then I'll show you guys the other two boxes. So good luck, everyone. Just flip all these over. So box number 3 is this one. So this is the one for tonight. Serial number for the box for tonight, 6278. So we'll set that up just right there. And this is box number 1, which is going to be used for tomorrow. It's 190 and a bunch of block numbers. So that's for tomorrow night. And just the rest of the case, which will be listed throughout this week. And hopefully we get more in by Friday here. 5786. 7034. So good luck, everyone. So on to box number 1. Sorry for so many of the numbers for some people that don't care. 6278. I like doing that just so everybody is aware that they are getting boxes out of a new case. So good luck, everyone. First box empty out of the case. It's one of the smaller packs, so most of the time it's normally a good sign. Bring those to the front. So good luck, everyone. So we start off the break with a printing plate for the Flames. I can't even see what that is. Max Reinhart from Dominion. So let's turn that over. So Max Reinhart, the Calgary Flames. And we have a Mikhail Grigorenko for the Buffalo Sabres. And this one's from Dominion too. Yeah. Dominion also. Mikhail Grigorenko. So both the redemption from the back there. And a redemption is a Rookie Treasures patch auto of Nick Bjugstad. ARP. Nick Bjugstad for the Florida Panthers. So hopefully that's going to be a nice patch. Remember, whoever redeems it. Then we have a base of Erik Karlsson, 67 of 199 for the Sens. We have a dual mem jersey auto for the Montreal Canadiens, Max Pacioretty. Max Pacioretty. Yeah, Florida has potential for some sick patches. Oh, nice. We have a triple mem jersey auto for the old Jets franchise, which is the Phoenix or Arizona Coyotes. So this is going to Arizona. Teemu Selanne. The Arizona Coyotes. Old Jets franchise logo. And we have a Timeline jersey A Milan Lucic for the Boston Bruins. Hey Cole, do you have the Jets tonight? Milan Lucic for the Bruins. Oh, sick. We have a Centuries patch. Come on, focus. 14 of 25 of Nathan MacKinnon. Nice patch on that. 1, 2, 3. Five breaks, 3 colors. It's a nice hit there, Colorado. And we have a Newfound Treasures for the Dallas Stars. Jack Campbell, number 6 of 50. Jack Campbell. We have a Timeline jersey of Patrick Sharp out of 99 for the Chicago Blackhawks. And we have a rookie book. Pretty sure it will have auto on out of 49. The San Jose Sharks. Nice hit there for San Jose. Prime version. Nice box here. So that concludes the break, guys. So we got boxes 2 out of the case tomorrow, and last box of UD Ultimate. Then we'll got MT break and UD Ultimate case breaks ending for Saturday.